Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a category to the X-axis in Power BI. This is incredibly useful when you want to organize your data more effectively and make your visualizations easier to understand at a glance. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll want to open your Power BI desktop application. Once it's loaded up, take a look at the right side of your screen. You'll notice a panel labeled Visualizations. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to creating and customizing your charts and graphs. From the Visualizations panel, go ahead and click on a visual. For this tutorial, we'll use the stacked column chart as our example. This chart type is great for comparing multiple data series side by side, making it perfect for showcasing categories. Now that you've selected your visual, it's time to add your data. You'll see fields for the X-axis and Y-axis. Start by dragging the date hierarchy into the X-axis field. This will form the foundation of your chart's horizontal structure. Next, drag your data, for example, sales, into the Y-axis field. This sets up the vertical measurement you want to display. Here's where things get interesting. At the top of your visual, you'll notice an icon called Expand All Down One Level in Hierarchy. This icon lets you drill down through your date hierarchy to display exactly the level of detail you need. Click on this icon repeatedly until it matches your preferred level of granularity. Maybe you want to see data by year or perhaps by month or day. Keep clicking until you reach the view that works best for your analysis. Once you've set your hierarchy level, navigate back to the Visualizations panel and click on the Format icon. This opens up all the styling and configuration options for your visual. From here, locate and click on X-axis. This section controls how your horizontal axis appears and behaves. Within the X-axis settings, scroll down until you find an option called Concatenate Labels. This setting determines whether your labels are combined or displayed separately. Make sure this option is turned off. Keeping it off ensures that your category labels remain distinct and readable, preventing any confusion when interpreting your chart. And that's it. You've successfully added and customized a category on your X-axis in Power BI. Your visual now displays exactly the data breakdown you need, making your reports clearer and more impactful. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.